Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some repairs on a Bobcat bucket. I've done some work on this bucket before, but we're going to change it up a little bit. We got a big crack in this corner. We got to get it straightened up and welded. This is where I've welded it in the past, right here. And we got some new teeth to put on it. And we're going to do something a little different to the teeth than you would normally do. So let me get it up in the air. I'm using my tractor today. Works really well. So it's one thing nice about having the skid steer quick attach on your tractor is you can pick up Bobcat things. It wouldn't be real effective to use it just because it's so heavy, but it does pick it up. If I had this full of dirt, that'd probably be over 2,000 pounds. So let's get it picked up and then I'll show you the damage and what we're going to do to it. Alright, here you can get a better look. This big old crack here. I don't know if I can squeeze that back up into place with a big clamp or not here. It's pretty ugly. I got to get all that trash out of there. I may try and use my needle scaler and bust all that out of there. Maybe take this tooth holder off if it'll come off. Let me get some tools out, get going. Probably ought to weld this corner up here just to be proactive before it gets broken out again. All right, let's get to work. Show you what I'm dealing with back here. Piece of the bottom of the bucket, I guess it's 2 layers. I got broken out and folded over, so I'm gonna hammer that back flat and weld it just to get some more life out of this thing. He leases this out to a concrete company and they use it to do concrete work. So he's buying a new bucket for his personal landscape stuff. He's gonna let this one stay with the concrete guys, so it's gonna get it toughened up to where it'll last him a little while longer. Alright, I got this grooved out pretty good. I'm gonna try to squeeze it up into place now. And then come back here and weld that gap in. See how far I can get it to pull up with a clamp. Got these big monster clamps here. Little visit from the neighbor. Alright, I'm gonna call that good. Almost flush there. So we'll weld that up. I got a good groove there to get some penetration in. I'm gonna weld it all the way in that corner and all the way down here. Alright, let me get set up. Alright, I had to weld these Allen bolts on the bottom of the bucket so I could try and tighten up these nuts. I got the proper Allen wrench to go in there. It's a 9mm, but it wouldn't hold it. It would try to spin it and strip it out. So I welded them pretty good. And if he ever has to change them, I'll end up having to cut them out. No big deal. So now we're going to try and tighten the bolts on the top and then get these new teeth in. And I got this, see if you can see that there, flushed up pretty good. Get that welded up. Get this welded up here. That's looking good. I can get in there and weld that. All right, let's get back to welding. Hold tight, I'm gonna move the bucket a little closer. That don't look too bad for a dirty old bucket. Had to go over that one there. Still got to do that one and this crack. And then we'll get these teeth on. Show you what I'm going to do there. Alright, I finally got this cleaned up and welded pretty good. turned out okay. Multiple passes. That piece was broken there. Got it reattached. I reattached that the best I could. It's just worn out, you know, it's so thin. But I think that'll hold. We got all the teeth holders welded. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the new teeth, slip them on, we're gonna put the pin in there, then we're gonna weld the tooth here on both sides because he's been having issues with the pins coming out. So we're gonna weld them, and then when it's time to change the teeth again, we'll just cut those 2 little welds. So just a little insurance. So let's get going on that. All right, got the new teeth pinned on there. Let's get them welded up. All right, that worked out pretty good. I even tacked the little pins, keep them from falling out. Teeth are welded. I took the liberty to weld the tips. It's kind of like hard facing. The weld material should be stronger, and it'll give it a little bit more, life from the get-go. This was an old tooth here and here, so I built them up a little bit. I'm going to grind them down just a touch, and then we'll see then we should be done with this thing. All right, I'm going to call that a wrap. I got the teeth cleaned up where I welded the tips. Pretty happy with that. All in all, it turned out pretty good. Just a little refresh, and that should last them for a year or two anyway. All right, thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.